So today we're doing a diagnostic on a, I think it's a 2014 or 15 Mazda CX-9. So a customer was experiencing some lights on the dash. Now we see the battery light is on and the check engine light. So I'm gonna do something a little old school. Normally I put my diagnostic machine on it, but there's a way to test to see if your alternator is bad. You're gonna come around while the car is running, and then you're gonna take either terminals off. I'm gonna take the positive one off and test it. So the theory is, if the alternator is bad, the car will shut off when I take it off. And then car shut off. So now we know the alternator is bad.